Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omwanchomuriria na kwariganirene ase chinse chisatoiga gocha koigwa chiriboti chobutukubwa rero asingo gusaba boigo na botu bwate ase mitandao yaito Ensoko TV digital alinsemo ya Facebook boigo n'Ensoko TV ensemo ya YouTube iri nyara kubo kwenyorera amayaya iga na kwariganire amono yominto yotokubwaterana nere asenchera ye eruga ye biorokererio Salome Kerubo.
Nenyora amaguru ntonye bekere kende etenen nemori yarenge ngia ebwate areti nanje nasemereti nga bono iga ina bana nere bono ngora to sendari
Emori etarina magorane kobyarwa endereti Omona chebino monene madakome oigoire ikikambero okisi.
As principals and members of Linda Mwananchi, we came here this morning to engage with the Registrar of Political Parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name.
Ekiombe kia Linda Mwananchi busio bumulike bwebyama. Asege kole egetari kia botambe kurwase etendereti egotoka ewodi ya Bokimonge ebunge ya Bomachoge burabo nigo engombe ya biara emori etabwati amagora abosyo asebono abanyene banyarako bakutwara omondo komonene ekyagera mbanya korora egekorobunekyo ase chinsemecho oyo minto Apollinaris nari no roboti orwo
nasenke yiga yomugakanya kundinya numba iyo kutoka sekenyero kendereti wodi ya Bokimonge ebunge ya Bomachoge burabu asobware ni gokorore ngombe yiga amone mori yaye ibwata afiengia kurende gento tamanyeti nkeribuna emori yengare ekero kunyikange ningebwata magora abera maiga asaya busia tayo
ekenakie kone narorire getanga ni kuruna chitego mochigoyo egetanga ni kegima nanyorire emori etabwati magoronsi ibwata magura magega ayabo sitayo gakubete
ekenakie kone getanga ni yakorekanira sindu bali twakirigereire na ntwe twabete no gukumia soko nyorege kone kengabuneke iga
dingo tuguta ari tingo nyeita ikine gento gitongukia nyasaye tongete korwenda ya ngina anto bakumeti mondo tayo na kororege kone muneke
nege kore getikete amateye iga no moichano monge asekeria bagoteba buna engombe yonigo yanyarire konyora chimori kiaya buya mochandondo tayo
yende tiana ko base ngombe iga turatenga usiana konyora ngombe kerema gusire nchira chinde nere mori ya entangani ya chite goto gukumyo kona senke iga
tindo jinga monya kali onde na chitaka konyelingori kere mosigo ono engombe na be konyora chimori kiaya buya amori ye ne ya gatatu no nya tindeba ekonyora chimori buya wone kene kya kone kya chitiko nande amori ne ya bana chintaka na ndigeire yarenge nyina bana nanjense mere tingongo nkonyerere chintaka na chiane
Elekwene kiabuna nkonyorire ndagira yaye ya mabere nigemori yugusirwa magora magega gotenena eliokogonka
because support ne linga niye gusirwa magora abosyo yamanya kunyara kogonga
tindi konyara mbo timbwati ma konyara konyegongia omwana ora okoranyi sport yake na bekongusa wono akingo tikonyora rigongi nyagongeri
konga kora kunko wangere tebwati shidende yonsi enyina nero boigo tebwati shidende yonsi oikamuna kuruya cha gite goikamuna yaikirete iga nabo yabwate another complications oikira muna wona yachite ko benge chinga bune yiga
nyakingo kora ege koroberwa maguru ngoroberu tigakari nenyora amagoro ntonye bekere kende etenene
nuko nakuo kuburia kwaba guchiase amate nabo igo abo bisa betugo
aba veterinary kera bagutara bacha barigerie ebintu ngubunebi twamanya ng'eshida ninkekorera ebintu bunebi aba onye babwata oborori bori baranya gokonya tokonye ebinde mbichi ko babo igo guchimambia
se monye chinse no nyaba egakonege kabere tororo ondage kaba munege nero ranyare gonsemia kinjera ransemia angere bonkorende getongu ekigenya sai ngitindi gogetuguta
osie kenege tangani kiaba ingechi ntoji kona utware recurrence nandi tubwate nchirera anyare gokonya ntoji kona kuriyo bolimboli atambe no bolimboli borasitore iba gotenga kerota maiti enchira nigo kuboli yagera gwatebigwa
ko reporter getaseni gen Soko TV ncheria tanapo Rinaris kama
ekamateria ekurigereria emeroberio yokobaine baria bane basiria magimabo asensemo yechinche imeya kebanyaru ebunge ya Burabo county ya Nyamira nigo yasokire na kuiraniria buya asabara baria babekiro koboko asogosire emeroberio asenkwana y'umunyakirogo ukora umuroberio yo nigaenekirie umuyogo yokoba litukuri aramisi asegeti kiaisicha abwase aenekirie botoere rukoba ase umuyogo yo nabo igo chinkwana cyokoremia nyagosira
asamari tankuru Kevin atuye Nyabera ndete kumwakira His Excellence the Governor olire ahadi yo wakana jibiri chonsi cha mocheri atoe ni chigari chugo cha kuimukia mebere imbaka ali getiga insicha asa matanga gocha gokoreru na otebire na atoe na atebire chigari gisanduki ni biri ya mocheri igo bono ebesa yo mugavana yaikira asitori 140,000 inera ali eteira na indo yikiranire tokumwakira mbia mono oyo kabere no mubunge okurukwosero nere mbia mono na otoira 100,000 inero tomenterani tokorere budget yeyo no musikinya satonere na toete chivesi chai chikoro 5,000 ntokweba kumwakira mbia mono na baraibande bali ete chira uno mheshimiwa Mocheno umheshimiwa Murara Kebaso umheshimiwa Nyarige no mheshimiwa Ngasi tafadhali na inwe contribution inonto yeganyete ndi toroberia matanga aya toeni abaminto asenchererengia gokorere kene abantu abaminto basirete n'abantu chifamily cyabo kirenze sana babwate chi challenge financial kiri kinene ekiagera no ndagera bakori boni gateyo abana bari school abana abake just imagine bunali na abatebyo umuntu gukunye cyo n'umuntu orenze sana umuntu uyu na ndo breadwinner ngatarasoka takonyora kende akia into nyasa mabera nali yogokonya chifamily jina cyabwente chikonyu kabisa oselinde mbabukere no nyabamu abo bayikire korara iga abantu baminto bari mu guca samatanga ayo injumu manyete nga igotukabwata amatanga yo molembe ikingenjo namagombo ilinde chifamily chikonyu
County ya Kisii nero yabere county ya 15 nemo asogocha kigwa wikigambero kiranyore kunyara usekiranyare kugayana ebine bikebike ekyo kimanyikanete nga alternative justice system umuyega oragwa no munachibi no munene imeyense ya Kenya umusubati Martha Koome kurengana na Martha Koome nigo nekiribuna ikigambereke nkerente bokoleri bokugaya nebine bikebike ebinge ange na abantu gosibiribire ange na abantu egentokere okubwaterana nerichiko.
And now we launch the Kisii AJS County Action Plan. Can we celebrate?
Bono county ya Kisii niyo yabeire county ya 15 nomo asogocha kiwe kigambero kirakonya kugaya nebike go alternative justice system maigora warichukura rero no munachibi no munene mensi ya Kenya Muswathi Martha Koome.
It's a significant milestone not only for the people of Kisii but also for our national journey towards building a justice system that is more accessible, that is more inclusive, and that is responding to the needs of our people.
Kuringana Martha Koome nigaenekire bune kigambere kengeretso bokori bukugaya nebinebyo angena abantu egentokera okubwatekana nerichiko.
So today's launch reaffirms our constitutional commitment to ensure that justice reaches every Kenyan through pathways that respond to their lived realities. Justice is not only found in the courtroom, it's found in our families, in our communities, in our marketplace where we work. And this is really a constitutional imperative that are consistent with our constitutional values.
Kubotikana nayo nigo bono Martha Koome atebire nigo bikuboterane kiro monto eri gwikera kugaya nebina gwikera kiro monto oisanekire.
They have to mind about inclusivity. That is why we see women, men, the youth, persons with who are differently abled. They are all members of the community. They also have to hear everybody and make notes and make a determination which is signed by everybody.
Since meya mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Muska Paul Simbarati ngairoko boko gocha gweka mbere kyo na kwira nembya sabo bwatani bonse banegetia yo ikeranire.
Indeed, this is landmark event underscores the county's shared commitment to strengthening access to justice through community-based and people-centered approach. In a special way, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to Honorable Justice Martha Koome for her distinguished leadership and unwavering commitment to advancing access to justice for all Kenyans. Their collaboration and commitments have played a significant role in strengthening initiative to promote access to justice and community development. I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, of the United Nations, through their officer, Mr. Sebastian Amenza.
Partnering with the ELC Court, and even today when we are launching this AJS County Action Plan. We also continue to support the county's spatial planning in the county to address the issues of land fragmentation, which is another potential cause of conflict.
Bwigomona chebina Joel Nkugi oyoenekia okorosi kwana gwikirani wa kumrobere yo nigo aganirio kubwaterana eri konyora richi buryo bwene.
Tukiana sisi wote wazee, vijana, viongozi na taasisi zote, hakuna mgogoro wowote ambao hauwezi kupata suluhu yenye haki.
Asibona sensema yomo commissioner bwe county ya Kisii James Kamau aboriya bagaka nabangina abo brachikoya nebyo kwenekyo bwene no bwasyoku.
I would appeal our elders, our honorable elders, now that you have been given that responsibility of ensuring that justice is brought more closer to our people.
Korpoteria Ensoko TV kurasikia mbereke nagia Kisii Nchepethuel Machin.
Chinga kyomoyega abo kuigora kigambero kia Alternative Justice System oenekigwa nigo kubuligwa kwa rurwe guchase omunachibi no monene Martha Koome kwenekea nkwaga chale kigambero yekerero ime ya Kisii na kuigora ibigambero binde asensemo ya Nyamarambe Nyamache amo na Nyanturago iri kwenekea obokoleri obuya ukwana Martha Koome nigaburiye boigaba Kenya kubwatira na sensemo y'obutumiki bw'emitandao yekerero iri kugaya nebina buna enchereyemo yo kwanguya na gokeania obukurumi.
Naso muyiga bukuigora bene ekigambiro kia Alternative Justice System asomo goko oba goko enekigwa akolinde ayana maganyo aruigwa neturetia bagaka elio kugari yobokoleri ime county ya Nyamira boigo.
As council represents Port Kisii and Nyamira counties. As a community, we highly appreciate your noble action to consider Kisii County to practice alternative justice system. Honorable Chief Justice, we kindly request that you extend the same to Nyamira County because they are part of us in the Elders Council.
Nonya nabo nigo munachibi no munene Martha Koome aburi wakwenekia obwagachi bw'ekigambiro g'ekirero gya Kisii nabo igo ebigambiro binde asensemo ya Nyamarambe, Nyamache na Nyantrago ili kwenekia obukoreri obuya.
Request you to consider constructing a modern and new low-cost block for Kisii, which will provide more space. This will provide more space and better services. We also request you to allow the establishment of 3 new courts in Nyamarambe, another one at Nyamache, and another one at Nyantrago, as a way to shorten distance and reduce travel expenses.
Omunyakirugo o LSK Kisii chapter Justus Maeche nigagokera okubekwa gwitiritia bagaka gusonsora ebine bike nabo igo kogokera aria Martha Koome abeire kagwikirania.
Ekegusi, we did have what we call etureti ya bagaka. Talikuwa yona naireje. Etureti ya bagaka. Justice abantu baminto she has established etureti ambayo tutakuwa tunaita etureti ya Martha Koome. Mkikosana munaenda huko. Thank you, Chief Justice, for the good work you're doing. Kisii Court is now a 2-judge bench. We've been asking it for a long time. We want to thank you so much for that.
Asense moyo mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigaeneke buna ebine binge nigo biragayanwe asobwango na konyora obwene asenchire ndunge.
The court in Kisii County burdened with a large number of cases, many of which involve land dispute, family conflicts. These are matters that can often be resolved more quickly, effectively, and much lower cost through AGS.
Omunachibi no munene Martha Koome ningaburia bakenya kubwaterana anene asubutumiki bw'imitandao y'ekerero kugayana ebina asenekia n'enchire yemo yogokeania obukurumi.
We realize that this is a shared responsibility and we have to work together to serve Kenyans who travel long distances to come to court. So that is why we have embraced technology and we are trying to help litigants to save time and money if they can embrace e-filing and also virtual courts and other technology that we have embraced, even to reduce the human interaction, where also when we reduce the human interaction, it reduces also the incidences of corruption.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
MMC we wodi yekerenyo umuske Jeremia Ongaro nigairanire roboti igoro yubwagachi bwegetie kenene kia manga ikyo keirire geka getari geke koera gakwerera yaime ye assembly ya county ya Nyamira mugasorero nigatebire getie kyo nigokeruche koera kurindo MMC we wodi ya Kimera umuske James Matinga nigere atebire nerebuya baire chingaki eryo konenkia aria akorirwe asegetie kyo nonya nabo MMC we wodi yeri goma umuske Nyambega gisesa nigo aborire nsemo yechigosori chi county ya Nyamira eigoregetie kyo eliyo gesire chigosori.
And the statement which I am responding, point 1A, what was the original construction period to complete Manga Stadium? Honourable Speaker, it was quoted, it was 183,920,269.39. And the level of completion at this area, Honourable Speaker, there are stretches in which there was the area of perimeter wall, area of leveling of the ground, and the supply of water to that stadium to make it to a standard, Manga Stadium Pavilion, and even Manga football pitch and running track, that they just reached a point, it will be consumed very soon. Mr. Speaker, sir, what is the current position of this stadium? much has been done, and whatever is going on, the report before me, and this way I'm happy that even Honorable Bwalya is admiring the work which is before him. Mr. Speaker, the work in progress now, the sports promotion and areas where we have moved, there's work in progress of the stadium and pavilion, which is 80% done and almost 20% remaining to be complete. So Speaker, 15% remaining for the pitch to be complete. Area of construction on how the water within the field is within the area of completion, the tracks within Sudan and the water is shown to area it's flowing.
Honorable Speaker, there is no VIP entrance, there is no exit in case of any stampede. So, Honorable Bongaro, I want to recommend through the Speaker that we need to visit the area to also ascertain the risk management which the minister has not answered in the statement. That are we ready to utilize the facility which has been there since 2014?
I just wish to request the chairman for this committee of gender and sports if they can reach out to even Shabana Football Club. Because, Mr. Speaker, this work is almost done. We've gone to our stadiums like Awendo. This is much better, so they can have a deal. They can come and play at our stadium in Manga.
Nabasae bekiombegia kazi mashinani ikyo yachakiwa Wangũiga no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati aseritukulia rero nigo baikirana seciro ya Keumbu asebagenderera nemirimo yabo yo kwenekyo bochenu asechinsemo ao ukwana negeteseni igensoko nigo bateba buna ikiombegia kazi mashinani nigo kyabakonyire kwegendereria asobugima bwabo.
Abasae bekiombegia kazi mashinani ekyugia chakigwa Wangũiga no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati aseritukulia rero nigo baikirana seciro ya Keumbu asebagendera nemirimo yabo yo kwenekyo bochenu asechinsemo ao ukwana negeteseni igensoko TV nigo bateba buna ikiombegia gya kazi mashinani nigo kyabakonyire kwegendereria ase amagimabo
asamaria tare kisoro ko cyake kasi masinani na Simbarati atokonyire mutuke mbugo nyogundete ontoroche muchiora bira Wangũiga namangana ria bantu bata ndure chibuni cha Simba ndoriguni ndune bantu bakasi masinani na Simbarati ingo reporteria Ensoko TV kurua seciro ya Keumbu ebunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii ninche Enoch Gichana Mosinto Onyambane
nabamenye kuri umucyo Nyamira nigo bakwaneire igoro yobokoreri kurwa sabarai babo abo babegeta bisi asemeremo ao asigika kimya kene bono asebaria abasangire n'Ensoko TV nigo bagukwanera igoro y'ekipara kinyagetari naboiga masomo abo asebono batebire nigo baguche gutiga isiko baria emirimo yabo itari endonge ekero kyobochori obonene bole bosio
asamagenda ndoje nganarense nabo nturansire county yetu no ya Nyamira gogo chikwana no Nyagetari ruguru gogo mugabana naronje dia mariogo lakini kana kwa iro murwiro rogo chiko oligino ne riogo amana biri ko bora tocha sense mono na se chipara akipara ndubu chipara chisaligete sana buna bono bwansere balera ali nyango sobono kujumate bale mbe kabisa togwete mbura kara yatu bono toroje ngo twabacho tende miyake bono baba irangene bono toroje ko chiobo chori bono toroje ngabansire ko bangangwe boka boka baraka ake bono bono buna ntuwa batugwa kachikura asabara ibono mono ngento tugotaka tutwale chibara chingiya tutwale chisukuru chingiya asabana bagosoma buya amaryoga toke Nyagetari batoroseri chipara buya babeke chi street buya bone bino bintu tugotaka buna ntuwa bana inchirinde biko tokonya twese kwachumura buna chipara icho
bono ase myaka ene yerire kutuchora baraibeito kurukere sector tofauti kuchakira igavana go chance chi drainage nchi ase county ete ya Nyamira chipara chisaregete buno yo mitata ya pare ya shivering nyangoso egosoka uchingumbu alia ere pare mbe sana bono ndurgo chikochora barai korengana nechi besa bagotwa chibesyo chireta inu mwaka lakini bono ntumate na kitocho kokoro chori boito ande ntumate abarai bono tocho chora bago chikotokorere gasi engia ase county yeto ya Nyamira.
Ekarto kuligere in terms of development ase miaka ene ekoera karon kuligereria buna ba minto bakwane uro chibara oize kuligeria pika yane ase ngweta bakana ikanyomba ina akong sana na akong mono para ntobugati chibara chinde chiabete getikare egetiboria abantu bakolisia
gonare goteba nga ama kora yabarai baito no ratokonire othe kuboria barai baito igangie ko ere ko baraisi kotuma easi kuboria umubere karo monta akure lakini tiri ko baraisi kugora chi ambulance mubeke chinyage tari yo moto kare mochi kurwanira bogima.
No muraibu ense ya Kenya William Ruto wariganirie abagaka Korochi County ao imeye nyumba y'uburaibu ense aigasomo cyo Nairobi. Umuyogo iyo nigo wariganirwa guse uikeranirwa n'abaraibare ase serikali igati abo murai wekema kya ODM Oburu Odinga umwaziri w'uburendi bw'ime yense Kipchumba Murkomen umugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdul Swamad na boigo umwaziri w'amangana y'echinse echesiko Musalia Mudavadi.
Enyumba y'uburai bwense ritkuria rero nigo yaba enka yabagaka Korochi County ao ase baumirana n'umurai bwense William Ruto gukwana ekerekyo umurai bwense nigo aenekeirie abagaka abo gochia gwakanwa ase egasiengia bagokora buna enchereye moyo kubasegeta.
Beginning today, every village elder will receive a stipend. Hii sio bei ya uzalendo wenu. Uzalendo hauna bei. Hii ni ishara yetu kama serikali ya heshima ya taifa letu la Kenya kwenu na kutambua mchango wenu katika mambo ya uongozi ya taifa letu.
Mugabana bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Swamad otogirie umurai bwense ase egetambukirekyo kyo kwarigania abagaka ase nyumba y'uburai bwense.
Itaingia katika historia, wewe ni rais wa kwanza ambaye umeweza kuweka hadhi ya hawa wazee wetu. Kwanza umechunga mila yetu sisi kama Waafrika ya kuwa tunaheshimu wazee wetu, umewaalika kwako nyumbani. Your Excellency, hawa wazee si wazee wa kawaida. Hawa wazee wakiregea nyumbani wao ni majaji. Wao wanaangalia sijui mambo ya ng'ombe, mambo ya watu wameoana, bibi na mume wanatesana, wao ndio wanakaa chini na kuweka watu pamoja.
Umurai bwe kiama kya ODM Oburu Odinga nigo airaribagerio na komochia bari bakwamereria eserikali ase atebire tibabwati kende gochia ase abakenya.
We want to say that the president is trying his best and the opposition should also try. They should also try to bring their own programs, what they want to do to the people. Would they have paid the village elders if they were in power? I'm telling you, no, they would not. Because we have been with governments, and those people who are there are our friends. We have worked with them, and we know their capacity.
Chinga kiechechio omwaziri w'uburendi bw'ime yense Kipchumba Murkomen otebire abagaka bo nigo babwanete kubwateraniwa ase ewizara ya mang'ana y'egekoro.
Even though, Your Excellency, we have recognized our village administrators, there is our traditional council of elders or council of elders across the country, Njuri Njeke na wengine across the country. Your Excellency, ningependa kuomba Mheshimiwa Abdusamad na Council of Governors tushirikiane pamoja ya kwamba those Council of Elders ambayo ni organized entities of communities ikuwe recognized by county government na wakuwe part of the support that is going to be given through the culture ministry and culture departments in the county government with the support of your administration at the national level.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase kaunti ya Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Abo mwanchumurigereria abarai gusa abaga kabwo bebinyoro gusa abarai bebinyoro nigo banyakoba kogoka mono na komwakero murai wense ngambi ya mono ase okobareta ase nyombe yobogambi abo ase murai yonde wensi atanya gukora ekerekyo nigo batebiringa obaire sikenene nonye nase bakogamba.
Umetuleta karibu katika serikali yako kuu, sisi wazee wako wa mtaa, ukaona ni vyema kutualika ili tuje tusikie yale ambayo unatupangia. Bwana mheshimiwa, nasema asante sana.
All along, the presidency has been put in such a way that it is placed at a corner that some of us, and unfortunately my name is Wajiko, some of us, the Wajikos of this country, have never known what exactly the presidency is about. When I talk of the presidency, you know we know it. We have tested it in Nyeri, isn't it? But we have never been put into a situation that we are in today as elders. State House has always been a secured place for some status. Today it is not status that is here, it is the presidency where I belong.
Sijawahi sikia ama ona raisi mwenye amefungua afisi yake Ligurua ingie ndani akunywe chai akule ugali. Sijawahi ona. Ubarikiwe sana. Na ile vumbi Magurua alikuja nayo kwa ofisi yako na wakaiacha, usiichukulie tu hivyo hivyo, ni baraka wameacha kwa ofisi yako.
Hata nikitoka hapa mimi nafikiri MCA nitawaweka sel wote. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kututambua. Tulikuwa tukidharauliwa Mheshimiwa Rais pale vijijini, tunaambiwa wewe ni mzee kijiji, unaongea nini? Mheshimiwa Rais, mahali wewe umetutoa ni mbali sana Mheshimiwa Rais, na heko kwako Mheshimiwa Rais. Hii mazingara yenyewe imenibabaisha siku ya leo. Wacha tuseme ukweli Mheshimiwa Rais, ukifurahi unasema tu ukweli. Hao wazee kukuja hapa, tulikuwa tunasikianga community elders ndio wanaenda State House. Sasa wewe ukasema hapana, wacha wakuje village elders, wale wa chini. Sasa unaona wewe umebaliza. Asante Mheshimiwa Rais.
Abarai verombe ya Linda Mwananchi litukolia lero niko baikabusio bwe abisi yomuriki webyama aseganga yokurikia kurikwa kobekyama asobo mubo bwa Linda Mwananchi movement batebire babeire ne chinkwana chingiya no muriki webyama nabono nigo baganye tokoiraneria okugukorwa se abisi yo ase batebire mbale no kwegena mbachiye konyora erieta aliyekyama kyabo.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming. As principals and members of Linda Mwananchi, we came here this morning to engage with the Registrar of Political Parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name, Linda Mwananchi Movement. You will recall that we had made an application for that name and we received a letter declining the registration on account of public interest. So we came to engage with the registrar on the interpretation of the law, in particular Section 8 of the Political Parties Act. We must say that the registrar received us very well and we have had very cordial and extensive discussions with him. There is no reason to refuse the registration of the name Linda Mwananchi Movement. And we have agreed that he will now review his decision and before the end of the week, he will get back to us with his final decision on the matter.
Thank you.
Let me just assure the country that once we have that name, everything will fall in place within the required statutory timelines. We will get our name. We will get our name.
Mwancho morireria abutwaikirio mwerio wechiribo cha siritu koria rero mbia mono kigima soko yategerera gwiko mwerio na kwa niaba ya bariki baito abu bagasana cinsemo cia gusi na isiko ko yaretara yaiga boigo na baria tokonya na barwensemo ya kabire Velistas na Kevin boigo no mokonyi ase umonwa abwe biorokererio Salome Kerubo eriterane nkurukunga eri na mora kabe no botuko buya na indegendera koba imeyegete seni igiensoko.